How to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone. So if you have accidentally deleted a photo or video, don't worry. I'll walk you through 3 different methods to get them back. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's start with the method 1, that is to check the recently deleted folder. So to do that, simply open the Photos app on your iPhone, and once you have opened it, simply scroll down and find recently deleted under the Utilities section. Now tap on View Album to see all photos and videos deleted within the last 30 days. Now once you are here, simply tap on Select at the top right and choose the photos and videos that you want to restore. And after that, tap on the 3 dots at the bottom right, and from there simply select Recover, and that's it. But also note that if more than 30 days have passed, the photos and videos will be permanently deleted from this folder. Now with that, let's move to the method 2, that is to restore from iCloud. So simply open web browser and go to the iCloud.com. Now sign in with your Apple ID or Face ID or password and tap on Photos if you don't have advanced data protection enabled. And there you will see all your backed up photos. So just find the deleted photo and then download it back to your device. And with that, let's move to the method 3, that is to restore from iCloud backup. So if the photos isn't in the iCloud photos, you may still recover it by restoring an iCloud backup. To do that, simply open the settings, and from there simply tap on your username at the top, and after that simply tap on iCloud. And now here in this section, simply tap on the iCloud backup and check if there is backup from before the photos were deleted. If there is, simply go back to the settings, and from here tap on General, and from there simply scroll down and tap on Reset iPhone and tap Erase all content and settings, and this will reset your phone. And once it's reset, you can restore from the iCloud backup and your lost photos should appear. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.